Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rimi. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button along with the bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video for you guys. So today I'm here with another makeup tutorial for you guys. This is the look that I'm wearing right now that I will be creating in this video today, and I used a very exciting palette that I have been wanting to use. This palette for the longest time. I received this palette as a Christmas gift, and ever since then I've been planning to do a look with this palette. This is the Morphe 35M Boss Mode palette, and this is how the inside look like. Gorgeous, beautiful palette. I love the color schemes in this palette. This portion right here of the palette is like my favorite portion. I love all of those bright green colors and the shimmers, the mattes, everything is so colorful, so beautiful. And I wanted to use some of those green colors to create the look for today's video. I did kind of like a cut crease. I went in with a maroon under eye situation going on here just to bring a little bit more interest, I guess, and I went with a dark vampy brown lip. So yeah, without talking any further, let's get into the tutorial. I'm starting off with the color Hello Sunshine, and with a fluffy brush I'm applying this color on the outer corner of my crease. This color needs to be fluffed out, so I'm not trying to be precise, and I'm just placing it on the outer corner and then blending it towards the inner corner of the eye. Then I'm taking the color Express Yourself. This is a little bit deeper color, and I'm placing it in the crease and also on top of the first color I placed. I'm trying to slowly build up the color and make it more defined. Then I switched up the brush with the same color. This gave me more pigmentation, which I needed for more of the deeper colors. Next, I'm taking the color Green with Envy to further deepen the outer corner. I'm keeping this color more towards the lower outer corner, and then in a circular motion I'm blending the color with the rest of the outer corner colors that I placed. I'm layering a lot of green colors from lighter to deeper colors to create this look. Now I'm taking a concealer to cut my crease and to clean out the inner corner of the eyes. I'm only applying the concealer up to halfway my eyes. I'm not taking it towards the outer corner that much. Then I'm taking the color Electric Energy and I'm placing it between the transition of the concealer and the other green colors that I put. This will help the transition between the shimmer and the matte colors to go seamlessly. I wanted a shimmer color that is close to the green colors to kind of blend in before I put a lighter color in the inner corners. And then I'm taking the color Pop Star and applying it towards the inner corner. The Pop Star is more like a greenish gold color. Next, I'm taking this champagne color Light of the Party from the palette to create a defined line in the crease. And then I'm going back to the color Express Yourself to smooth out the transition between the shimmer and the mattes, and also to redefine the outer corner. Now moving on to my face makeup. For my foundation, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in color 290, and I'm applying the foundation using a Juno microfiber velvet sponge. And to set my foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in color medium, and I'm applying the powder using a beauty blender. To contour my face, I'm taking my NYX contour kit and I'm taking the lightest color in the palette to contour my nose, and I'm using a small pencil brush to contour my nose, and I'm using the opposite side to blend out the contouring. Then I'm kind of reverse contouring using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. And yeah, I tried a new technique to contour my nose this time. I think it turned out okay, but I'm still not the best at contouring my nose, so I'm still practicing. And as you saw, I mixed these two colors to contour the rest of my face, mostly around my cheekbone and a little bit towards my forehead. And I also like to contour a little bit under my chin as well. For my blush, I'm taking Kat Von D Fetish palette, and I'm taking the color Salem from the palette for my blush, and I'm just applying it on the apples of my cheek. Now I'm reverse contouring my cheeks using the same Maybelline powder and my beauty blender, and then I went ahead and used a brush to kind of blend out the edge so that it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild liquid highlighter to highlight the cheekbones and also the tip of my nose, and then I also will go in with the powder highlighter. I'm taking this LA Girl strobing powder in color 110 Watt, and applying this on top of the liquid highlighter. I feel like the combination of a liquid and powder highlighter makes the highlighter look really nice. I think this color was a little too light for my skin tone, but it didn't look too bad. Now to line my eyes, I'm taking It Cosmetics Superhero Liquid Eyeliner. This is my first time trying out this eyeliner. I don't know if I like this eyeliner too much. I think this is not matte enough. I like my liners to be really matte. Now to finish off my eye look, I'm taking the color Vampy Vixen and applying this color on the lower lash line, and I'm smoking this color out, and then I'm taking the color Candy Crush to blend out the edges. I'm also lightly lining my waterline with a black liner, and then with my finger I'm just blending the liner out so that it has a nice smoky effect with the eyeshadows that I placed. Now I am going ahead and curling my lashes and applying a few coats of mascara. For my mascara today I'm using Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and then I'm just touching up my brows. I'm using Maybelline Temptation Brow Definer Pencil. For my lips I'm using this combination of lip liner and liquid lip in color Hooked on Love. I'm just lining my lips, following my natural lip lines. As usual, I always like to fill in my lips with the lip liner before I go in with the liquid lip. And on top of that, I applied this liquid lip in color Romance Me. And on top of that, I just applied a gloss, a nude gloss. Now to highlight my inner corners of the eyes, I'm mixing these two colors and applying it in the inner corner. So here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look in this tutorial. I love the palette. I love the colors in the palette. This is not a review video, so I'm not going to talk too much about that. But overall, I did like the palette. This is the look I came up with. I do want to create some more looks, so keep an eye out for those. Thank you for stopping by my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button along with the bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram or Snapchat yet, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram if you like. I will leave all my social media links down in the description box below, along with all the product details of what I used on my face today. That'll be it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!